Hello guys, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to try out top 5 award-winning bread in Taiwan. Although rice is considered a staple food in most Asian countries, but we actually eat a lot of bread here in Taiwan. And Taiwanese bakers sure know how to bake good bread. Coupe de Monde de la Boulangerie, which is so-called the Olympic game in baking industry, was held earlier this year in March. And Taiwanese team has proudly won the championship for the very first time. Now, let's go meet these master bakers and peek on some behind-the-scenes baking process. Let's go! We're now at a bakery with a very cool name called Boulangerie Shakespeare & Co. The baker, Mr. Wang Pongjie, was the second Taiwanese who won the championship at Master de la Boulangerie. This award does not open to whoever registered, but only for those who score high points at Coupe de Monde de la Boulangerie. And this is why this award is also known as the Olympic Games for Bakers. Now I want to go try this delicious lychee strawberry bread that helped Mr. Wang got the highest score in 2018. Let's go! Number 4. Lychee strawberry bread from Boulangerie Shakespeare & Co. In order to make the popular lychee strawberry bread, the dough has to mature for 18 hours, then adding in different types of berries, as well as the rose petal lychee wine. Now, let's dig in. It tastes sweet, a little bit sour, but also with a very rich berry taste. Mr. Wang likes to put local food in his bread in order to promote Taiwanese culture. What I find really impressive is that he considered it as his responsibility to promote the culture rather than focus on his own success when he won the championship. It makes me think of a line, "With great power comes great responsibilities" from Spider-Man. When you come to Kaohsiung, don't forget to come to Boulangerie Shakespeare to try some bread that tastes Taiwanese.